Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Zrolenca Android Auto Wireless Adapter. That's include Android Auto Wireless Adapter. Seamlessly integrate your Android smartphone with your car's infotainment system using the wireless Android Auto adapter. Enjoy the freedom of wireless Android Auto, effortlessly transmitting music, navigation, and messages from your phone to your car. The wireless Android Auto adapter is compatible with your car's existing controls, including buttons, touch screens, and knobs, transforming your vehicle into a connected smart car. Widely compatibility. Our wireless Android Auto adapter features exceptional compatibility, supporting a variety of Android phone brands and models, including Google, Samsung, OnePlus, and other devices running Android 11 and above. Please note, our adapter is only suitable for OEM wired Android Auto systems and is not compatible with iOS devices. Effortless plug and play. Once initially set up, our adapter automatically activates the Android Auto wireless connection every time you start your vehicle. Setting up is as easy as 3 simple steps, allowing you to quickly start using the wireless Android Auto adapter without the need for additional apps or drivers. Once paired, it seamlessly reconnects to your device each time you start your car. Powerful wireless performance. Equipped with an advanced A9 core control chip, the wireless Android Auto adapter delivers robust, fast, and stable wireless connectivity for Android devices. Featuring an A9 chip, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 5.3 Bluetooth, and an octa-core processor, it boosts data transfer rates by over 60%, delivering Google Maps, media, and messaging apps to your vehicle's display screen up to 10 times faster than competing applications. Sleek and durable design. Crafted with a sleek glass panel and durable aluminum alloy frame, the wireless Android Auto adapter combines style with durability. Efficient heat dissipation ensures optimal performance even during extended use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.